Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm in Tirana, Albania, and I'm at Tirana Castle. There's not much to it. It was built back in the 1300s, and I think there's just like a wall and a gate. It used to join the north and south and the east and west streets, but let's go take a look and see what we see. It shows up on the top 10 things to see, and so you can see the wall here. It starts down there and it goes here. And so there's really not much. What it really is it's kind of turned into this little street here full of shops and restaurants and bars and eateries and that kind of stuff. But this is the Tirana Castle, what's left of it. And oh, there's a sign. I wonder if it gives us any information. I wonder if any of it's in English. Castle of Tirana, there it is. Okay. That's not declared a cultural monument in 1886, so you can read that if you'd like. Hit pause if you need to. Part of the northern wall. Okay, let's see. So again, that's all there is, and there's really not much to it except for this. And it looks like there's some stairs up there. This looks like somebody's house, actually. Did I just walk into somebody's yard? Yeah, this doesn't... Okay, well, maybe that's really all that's left is that wall to Tirana Castle, because this looks like houses too. And there's somebody up there, so I don't know. This doesn't feel like where I should be, though. You know, if there's trouble to be had. Is this Tirana Castle? No. No, this is over there. Okay. So, I don't know, everybody. Anyway, we'll just call this Tirana Castle. I think he was directing me out of his yard, so... I'm certainly going to leave. And then what is over here? I don't know. Oh, maybe, no, this is, I don't, okay. Tirana Castle. Here's more information on it. The fortress is a field. Okay, hit pause if you need to read this. In 1817. Okay. Oh, okay. This is Tirana Castle. Okay. And there's more shops and stuff. Maybe this is the shops they were talking about. So the signs aren't real good about where to go and where not to go, as I violated somebody's backyard. Okay, so this looks like the pictures on the internet anyway. Can you believe it? I went and looked it up before I came. That doesn't happen very often. Cowboy candy shop. Interesting. Okay, so anyway, so I guess this is the Tirana Castle, and so I'm trying to talk over this song, but that's always tough to do because you just can't talk enough to go and drown out the music, because what happens is that then they rate your video and then they, you know, you can't monetize it, you can't really post it, they'll try to take it down, whatever, blah blah blah. It's just all goofy stuff. Anyway, okay, well, this was Tirana Castle, and I think this is it. So is the wall the only thing that's really left of it, and then this is the end of it right here, I think. I think that's exactly what just happened. Okay, well, thanks for joining me to go through Tirana Castle. Cool, everybody. Bye-bye.